My last step to completing the grasshopper is going to be adding in some of the ridges along the body and giving it maybe a nice wing or two. I'm going to start with the body. It's easy to see that the grasshopper has little armor plates in my drawing, and those are of course going to be made with bevels. So I'll move back to one mode and I will start putting bevels in nice convenient places for myself. First, I'd like to have something in here by the neck, and I don't think that either of the loops I've currently got are in really good places, so I will start by inserting an edge loop and pulling that in a little bit. That's going to give me some definition on the neck to begin with, which I pretty needed. So we'll take that, bevel it, pull the segments up to 2, and now I've got this nice loop that I can really indent and give myself that little armored look. Very nice. That's not nice, but again, that's my video card, just ignore it. I can go through and do some similar things on the face. A fun one is back here at the back of my eye socket, I've got this little loop that doesn't quite loop all the way around. That's because it splits off in more than 2 directions and isn't sure where it goes, but that's actually going to make a really nice place for me to put a little armor plate on the face. So I'll just come around, make sure I've got both sides, bevel there, again give it 2 segments, and now I've got this interior loop which oddly goes a lot farther than the exterior loop. Just one of those fun things. My symmetry is still turned on, so I really only need to select this halfway through, and then I can take it, give it a little scale, and maybe I will also take this outer edge here and just scale that up a tad. And now when I go to 3, I will have a really interesting little armored plate on the face. I can start doing some similar things with the back. So I know, as an example, that this edge here is going to run down that big back leg. I just want to take it across the back. So I might come in here and just start grabbing the edges that run across the back. And again, I've got symmetry on, so I only need to take half of them. I can start rotating. Maybe we'll do this next one too. Rotate that to help me with my armor plate. This one will scale up a little bit. That's going to help me connect the wing. Pull that back there. And this is going to be a good one to bevel, so I'm going to go ahead right now, bevel that, maybe adjust my fraction, maybe give myself another segment, and there's the big armor plating on the shell. Can come in here, do the same thing with this. This one looks like it's doing a pretty nice job matching the shell plating in my drawing, so I'll bevel that. Again, pull the number of segments up, and maybe take this line here, scale that down. There's my second shell piece, and we'll just do one more. So I'll take this one, Make sure I've got that all the way around. Again, bevel, adjust my number of segments, and then I should have this lovely edge right here that I can take and scale in. And now when I move between 1 mode and 3 mode, I will have a very detailed looking insect. And that really did not take me very long at all. This is a great place for me to delete my history and save my scene. I will also pause the video here, and when I get back, I will add the wing, and then I will be all done.